In today's video, I want to guide you on how to source for good quality product on 1688. 1688 is a Chinese website that you can leverage on and source for cheap products, not only cheap, good quality and resale even for personal use. So this video is going to cover so many things. One, how to search for products even with the help of ChatGPT to see which of these products that you want to search for is in demand in your environment, such as Nigeria, Africa, or in a particular location. And then I will also cover the process on how to search for this product on 1688, then how to get the best supplier and lots more in this video. So if you are joining us for the very first time, welcome to this channel. Don't forget to like and let's move in. The first thing you have to do is to log into your account and source for products. The first way that you can search for product is to come to this search button here, type in whatever product you are searching for. So I want to search for smartwatch. Then hit the enter button or you click on this search button. So in a few seconds, you have different smartwatch display here. Now let's go back to it again. Another way to search for it is to click on this button where you see image search. Click on it, then select any of the image of the product you want to buy. Let's say this one. Click on this one, then click on open, then let this image pop up. You see it has come up here. Click on search button. So while waiting for that to come up, the another way to search for is to come over to this one here to search for similar product. You can see that says find similar. If you over your mouse to any of these products, you see something that says find similar. So click on it and it's going to open in a new page for you. Now let's come back to this place. You see we've opened it, then let's over to it and see find similar. Now we've covered two ways to search for products on this platform. Then the next one is to open Google Translator on your device. If you are using an Android device or mobile device, even your laptop, just head over to Google Translator, type in whatever you want to search in English here. So we are going for smartwatch. Now copy it here, go to the website again. In this place, just paste, then click on search. Then it's going to open another page for you and you're going to see that it will also open a smartwatch for you. Now you've been able to search for smartwatch on this platform. But how do you know that this smartwatch it is high in demand in your environment? Maybe if you want to resell it, you need to do something that is unique so that you know which of this product that is high in demand. Don't forget that we have different smartwatch out there. So with the help of ChatGPT, we can do something better. So open your ChatGPT. In the search bar, just write something simple. Act as a major smartwatch distributor in Nigeria. Which smartwatch is high in demand and what? Why? So click on this search button. Once you click on the search button, just wait a few seconds for ChatGPT to bring out this small review. Now you can see that ChatGPT breaks it down like rank number 1, brand and model, then demand, why Nigeria buy it. The first one is Oraimo smartwatch series, that is Watch 5, Watch Nova and others. It give it 5 rating. Why? Is affordable, trusted brand, long battery life and lot more. Then Xiaomi Redmi smartwatch is another one. Then it gives its rating here, excellent value and lot. Then Huawei Watch Fit series, then Samsung Galaxy Watch series. So with this, then if you scroll down, it's going to give you the price for between 25 and 70,000 naira in Nigeria. So you can see now, you can as well ask to give you sample images of these watches. So give me two samples. Give me 2 sample images of this watch. So let's hit the enter button and wait for ChatGPT to give you 2 sample images of this smartwatch. Now here is Oraimo Watch Nova, 2 example. Now here is Xiaomi. Now Now it has give you two, so let's go for rainbow. Now let's click this one, right click on it, then do what? Save. Then save this on your device. As well, you can click on this one, right click on this one, or let me keep this one, then save this one on your device as well. Now that I've saved it on your device, then come back to your 1688 website where your account is. Now click on this button. Don't forget we are getting this. Let's open this one and open it. So click on search. Then let's go back to the second one, click on it, and let's pick this one. Then let's open it. Then let's click on search. So let's see what we found here. So we found this one, and here is the price. Now the price here is 13,000 naira. Though the price is 30,000 naira now. Here the price is 12,000 naira. Back to what ChatGPT talked about the price. The first one here, the price of this one is between 25 and 70,000 naira, and we are getting into around 13,000 naira. Now you've known how to source for these products, even to use ChatGPT and get better products, what is in demand in the market. That is not all. The next thing is how to get better supplier, and what people say about this product is very compulsory to know that. So all I have to do is to come back to this place now. We are sourcing for this, and literally this is one of it, and we have different suppliers here. And this one is, it has sold 100, you can see over 100. This one sold over 70. Now let's source by volume. Click on this button. Once you click on this button, it's going to readjust and bring it from the highest to the lowest. Now this one has sold about 29,000 of this watch, and the price of this watch is 3,798 naira. Meanwhile, this might not be the exact watch you downloaded here, so you have to be very careful while doing that. So let's back to this place. So this one has sold this, then this one has sold about 26,000, this one has sold about 25,000, then this one has sold about 22,000. But here the merchant is certified merchant, while these four merchants are not certified merchant. Now let's keep moving. Then this one has sold about 18,000. Then look at this one, it has 5-star rating. This one has 5-star rating. This one has 5-star rating. That has sold about 13,000 of this watch. Now scroll down again. Once you do that, then take a look at the price of this watch. This one is going for 3,795 naira 13 cents or 13 kobo. That's 16.90 yuan. And here this guy is selling his own 76 yuan, which is 17,000 and plus. So this might likely be the real watch you are sourcing for. And this one is selling his own fee for 58,000 naira, 58,000 yuan, Chinese yuan, and it's 13,024 naira 70 kobo. So, and it has this. So just take your time and look at all this and source for. Now that you've seen this, it is time to look at what is going on these suppliers. So now let's open this one. I think I'll go for this one. This one, the price is too cheap. I don't like it. It might not be the real thing I needed. Click on it to open it in a new tab. Now let's open this one. I think this is a very good one. So let me open this and see what is here. It's going for 105 yuan. So click on it and open it. So let's open the first one. The first one has opened, but I'm having some issue here. You see, this is Chinese word, which I don't understand. Let's wait a bit if the site will be translated automatically. Now it has translated, and if it does not translate it automatically, here is what you need to do. Anywhere here, then click on translate to English. Now it has load up in English language, which is more easier for us to read. Now the first one is, this merchant has been here for 11 years. This tells us that this merchant or company is a very good one. Then store returning rate is 61%. It tells that people are coming to this place to buy. Yes. Then store service point 4.5%. On time delivery 100% on time delivery. Store price rate 100%. This signal a very good merchant, supplier, very good. Now that is not all yet. Now if you hover your mouse to this place, you're going to have access to what's on the screen, like transaction model, business model, manufacturer. Then you have procurement, consultation, logistic, and lots. Everything is good order. Now scroll down. The next we have to do is to scroll down a bit. You see product review. This is 5-star, you see, and positive rating 100. So let's click on this view all review. Once you click on view all review, wait a few seconds for it to load up. Now take a look at, we have about 210 pages, you see. So we have people review on this product. Now let's take a look at what people are saying about this product here. The evacuate did not make timely evacuation and the system automatically give positive review. So let's go to the second page and see what people are saying about the product. So you can take your time and see this review. Just take your time and see this review. This review is about a year ago. So you have to take your time and see this review. And don't forget that this merchant, they have been here for almost 11 years. So there is likely there's tendency of you having much more review this place. So just take your time and read through this review. Now you can as well click on this and view how the watch looks like and lot more. Now that I've seen this, now let's try and see the second merchant. Now here's the second merchant as well. Now this one has return rate of 37%. To me, this is no go area. To me, it's a red flag. To me, it's red flag. But let's keep. Then on time delivery, 75%. Compared to this one, that the time delivery is what, 100%. Then this is over 10 years in the system, while this one is 11 years in the system. So you can as well take your time and do some of these settings here. So scroll up and see review on this one. The evaluator did not make a timely evaluation and the system automatically give positive review, similar to what we've read here the other time. So let's scroll and view all review. Once you scroll and take your time and view all review here. Now that I've read all this review, then there's a particular thing I want you to do. Come down to the products you want to buy. Very important to know the products you want to buy. Now this help. Now see official inspection reports. Take your time and read this. And this is the product attribute, the brand, you have it here. Time to start, screen, battery, wrap, this wrist wrap, you have everything. Then you can expand and view everything. Then compatibility platform is an Android, color black and gold. So take your time and see everything here. If it is in align with what you want to buy, then you can go ahead and get this product. If not, then guys, discard this and move to next suppliers. So you can take your time and source for every product you want to source for here. So now that I've done all this, with this simple setting, you've been able to source for good products on 1688. So that's all guys. If you enjoy what I've explained in this video and you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please do subscribe. Don't forget to like and share this video. This might be of great help to your friends, family, and see you soon guys on our next video.